The first stop of the Grand Canyon. Hey guys, so I just went to edit today's vlog and saw that the intro, there was no sound, my mic wasn't on, so you'll see it and I'll put words under it. Okay guys, we're here at the Glen Canyon Dam. It's like 30 minutes before the visitor center opens, so we're not going in there. But we can at least get some good footage from the walkway next to the visitor center. So, I'll kind of show you what's going on here. This is the bridge that we're going to drive across to get to the other side. Then down here you can see there's like a whole bunch of rafts. And it looks like they're filling up with people. There's one launching right now. So there must be a lot of rapids down there somewhere. Then you can see like right here they've got a whole bunch of wires coming out of there, so that must be like the power plant. And you can see right there there's trucks parked there, which are super small. And there's right over here, let's see, where are we at? Yeah, over here there's a tunnel. They come out of the side. It's kind of neat because this thing kind of curves all the way around, then into the side down here. And I don't know how the light is, but hopefully that's giving you an idea of how deep this is. I'm not sure, we'll have to look it up, but I'm thinking it's maybe 300 feet at least. It's kind of cool to wash the windows here on the side of the round section on the front of the visitor center. They've got this cage on wheels that can just roll all the way around. So this right here I think is one of the turbines for the dam. Yeah, sure enough. Kind of amazing, like this edge is almost sharp. Just like a big heavy polished piece of, looks like stainless steel. We're out here on the side of Glen Canyon in Arizona. It's pretty epic. We're gonna get some drone shots here and hit the road.
So I'm just thinking all the places where you say we're gonna get drone shots and we don't, we're gonna have to cut those out of footage. But anyway, so I think we should head down there and see if we can get some good shots.
There's a trail down.
Down there, yeah.
Okay. Come on.
You got it. It doesn't like being trapped.
That was disturbing. Most of the time I get it to come down, just land right in my hand. That time I caught on, but since I had already caught on, I had to, and it was just with 2 fingers, I had to really just grab into it. But anyway, it was disturbing.
All right. So where to next?
I think we're off hitting the road. I'm gonna go see the Grand Canyon now.
All right. Sounds good.
first stop of the Grand Canyon, and we're up top of this high tower, which I got a shot of earlier. It's pretty crazy. It's right here on the side of the canyon. It's probably about probably 60 feet up, and this is all made of kind of a concrete stucco over rock. And there's a whole bunch of cool paintings on the walls and stuff all the way up here. And we'll try and get some shots of that.
I think that's pretty cool.
What is that?
I think it must be some way of viewing the canyon when like the sun is in your eyes or something, because it's really, really dark. But it's a mirror kind of thing. So I don't know exactly why, but you can look down and just see the canyon out there.
Oh my.
It's kind of cool. They really like make square spools back in the day or some nonsense like that.
It looks like a square spool. Because you can see this hole, that was not. That's like it has something under it. It's not. Wasn't put there for an umbrella.
It looks like they
The
corked
pegs.
the knot holes. Kind of we just pinned them, you know,
Right.
and then just like chiseled it off.
Right.
Kind of unique. I don't think I've really seen that before.
Pretty interesting.
It might have been a table from way back.
Possibly.
It's kind of interesting how they reworked the filled in like some massive window or something.
Right. We're up here on the top of this roof over here. Went up those stairs. We were just right up at the top of that. Anyway, it's pretty crazy. It must have been a super vintage, like visitor center area.
Right.
It's a whole bunch of what do you call it, like chalk and charcoal, like Indian markings on the wall. It's pretty cool. So I think we're gonna go see what we can find next. Probably another look out at the canyon. Got down out of that tower, my brother read all about it. What was the tower built for?
Well, supposedly there was some artist or something that found inspiration from the area and the canyon and designed this as something to preserve the culture of the area and time, and also be a useful point for visitors to view the canyon. So yeah, kind of cool.
So that's pretty awesome. A
Actually,
tribute to
that's just kind of
to the Native American culture, huh? Pulled off at another overlook here at the Grand Canyon, and it's epic,
to say the least.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, there's fortunately nobody around like telling us what and what not to do, and it seems like everybody else kind of jumps over the railing, comes down here. So that's kind of why we felt like we should come down here and enjoy a little bit more of the edge rather than staying up there. So I think you can see the river over there.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you'll
It ain't really showing that up, but
just imagine
somewhere right over
yeah,
there.
that you could bring the drone up, just like up to about its altitude. I mean, all the wind is coming from this way.
Well, we're getting ready to leave the canyon, the Grand Canyon. We got, probably can't hear me. We got about 250 miles to go to our next destination, which is going to be the Hoover Dam. So either we'll arrive there tonight and get some shots, or we'll get them in the morning. Anyway. Been nice knowing you, Grand Canyon. See ya. Arizona, the tea to drink. This is not sponsored or paid for in any way, but I'm in Arizona, so it's the thing to drink. So we just stopped at a gas station, had to get some gas. Now we're hitting the road again. They had a good deal on my favorite tea.
You need $4 for gas and
And
food. Okay, that's cool.
so we are on our way, hitting the road again. What do we got for 80 miles? 80 miles to the dam, it looks like. It's going to Hoover,
Exactly 80
so
miles.
that is super sweet. I think we're gonna get there and get some sunset shots, if at all possible.
Yeah, with some luck, we can do that.
We just entered Nevada. So guys, we just arrived at the Hoover Dam. It's kind of getting dark, but the cool thing about the dam is they've got more than enough power to create a bunch of lights. And so I think we can still get some good footage. So we've gone up to the uphill side of it first. It shows the water, I guess, as being like probably 70, 80 feet low down from where it can be. So anyway, if you look over the edge here, you kind of see how high up we are. We're like a good 100 feet off the water. And then I'm assuming that these towers out here is probably where the water goes down in to go to the turbines. You can see this bridge up here. We came from that side. So we drove across that bridge and then came down from over there like all crazy down. So that's what it looks like. So we'll probably go and try and park in that big parking garage over there, and then get up close to the edge, and hopefully there's enough light down there we can see how deep this thing is, because there's no way that we can see down there. Even coming across here, we had no idea where the water was right here. So we'll try and see how deep it is so you can actually get a perspective. Awesome. And that right there is why we are feeling like we're in an oven, because it's 104 degrees right now, and it's at
The sun is set.
8:26 at night. Hard to see, but right back there
is the dam. Just got a clip of it. It's pretty insane, and the camera just does not do it justice at all, showing how high it is. Anyway, it's downright amazing. So on the last clip, I was at the Hoover Dam. I was trying to get some shots there, and just as my camera card filled up, a cop came by and told me that I couldn't be there anymore. So apparently they closed it at like 9 o'clock, and it was 15 minutes till 9. So then we left there, and we got a hotel because it was 104 degrees, and we didn't want to sleep outside. And it was nice to have the hotel after being on the road 4 days. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and see you around tomorrow. Until next time, keep rolling with the random.
Check this.